Hi there, and welcome once again to another Roger Johnson's America. I am Roger Johnson. December 1983, the movie classic A Christmas Story came out in theaters.
There it is, my house. How could I ever forget?
And as much fun as it is watching the movie, it's just as much fun visiting the actual house where they filmed many of the scenes in the movie. You're not going to want to miss this exciting episode. Ho, ho, ho! You'll shoot your eye out, kid. I love to travel, and I love America. From the Purple Mountains' majesty and across the fruited plain, from sea to shining sea. I want you to join me as I celebrate America one adventure at a time. This is Roger Johnson's America. If you're not familiar with the movie A Christmas Story, then I'm not sure why you're watching this video, unless it's just because I'm amazing. If that's the case and you're not familiar with the movie, a little quick recap. The movie is about a small boy, Ralphie Parker.
Ralphie, what would you like for Christmas?
I want an official Red Ryder Carbine Action 200 range-ball air rifle.
Who, more than anything, wants a BB gun for Christmas, but not any BB gun, a Daisy Red Ryder BB gun like the one I have here. He goes through the usual channels trying to convince the powers that be that he should get his BB gun. He goes through his parents, his teacher, and even Santa Claus.
A lot of people waiting here, so get going.
What do you want for Christmas, little boy?
This movie is so chock full of classic, iconic, just beautifully done scenes. It really truly is a Christmas classic. If you haven't seen the movie, watch it and then make your way to the Christmas Story House Museum. Now, the movie takes place in Indiana, but the filming and the house are in Cleveland, Ohio. Now, the house itself specifically is at 3159 West 11th Street. Now, as I understand it, a number of years ago, the house where they had filmed the exteriors, it came up for sale, and a gentleman from California, San Diego, I believe, sight unseen, fan of the movie, decided to buy it. He didn't even know where Cleveland was, had never even been to Cleveland, and he threw a whole bunch of money into the house, fixing it up. They filmed the exteriors there, as I understand it. Like most movies, the interiors were filmed elsewhere, but they've remodeled and done the interiors of the house so they match as close as they could possibly get to what the interiors look like in the movie. So when you step into the house, it is very much like you are stepping into the movie. It's a lot of fun, and I would love to show you a video of the interiors, but the first thing they told us when we went inside is no video. I don't know if that's changed from when I went a few years ago, but when I went, you couldn't take video, but they did allow you to take pictures. Lots and lots of pictures. You can get a picture with the leg lamp, the box that says Fragile on it, the Christmas tree, underneath the sink where Ralphie's little brother hid out when he was upset. You can try out the bar of soap. It's all there, and it really is fantastic. Now, the tour of the house is the most fun, but it's not the only thing to see and do there. Directly across the street from the Christmas Story House is the Christmas Story House Museum with all kinds of props from the movie. It really complements the tour of the house really well. Like all good museums, you need a gift shop, and this one has a good one, a very good one, one of my favorites. All kinds of stuff, the usual stuff that you buy at gift shops, t-shirts and refrigerator magnets and that kind of thing. But you can also buy props, replica props, that is, from the movie. The star on my Christmas tree, yeah, that's a replica from the star on the tree in the movie. You can buy leg lamps there. As I understand it, you can actually have one shipped to your house in a crate marked Fragile. Now, I didn't opt for the leg lamp. I did go with the Daisy Red Ryder BB gun. Had that shipped to me as well because, well, I flew in and then I was going to fly back out, didn't have checked baggage or anything, and so I was not going to be able to take this on the plane. So I had it shipped to me in time for Christmas. One of the best Christmas presents I've ever gotten myself anyway. It is a replica of the Daisy Red Ryder BB gun in the movie. The packaging is like the packaging in the movie, like you would have seen in the 1930s when the movie takes place. This is really cool. Red Ryder on the stock, like in the movie. It does not have a compass or thing which tells time in the stock, but it is a real BB gun. I've got BBs in there. I'm not going to fire it in the studio here because, yeah, that wouldn't be good. Might shoot somebody's eye out. Anyway, that's going to wrap up this Roger Johnson's America video episode. Remember, if you love America, you'll like us. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, follow me on the social medias. I won't disappoint, I guarantee you. So until next time, this is Roger Johnson's America.